Hello everyone, you've all heard of Volvo, Kenworth, MAN, or Peterbilt, but which truck is the most powerful? Stick with us, and today we'll show you the 10 most powerful trucks in the world. 10. DAF XF530. The 4-axle Model XF530 opens the 10 most powerful trucks on the market. With a traction weight of 80 tons, an MX-13 engine with 530 horsepower, and a 12-speed Traxxon transmission with a torque of 2,600 Nm at 1,000 to 1,425 RPM, the XF is the best model of the Dutch freight company. 9. Kenworth W990. Retro on the outside, modern on the inside. The Kenworth W990 combines luxury features and high quality with great reliability. With its 12.9-liter PACCAR MX-13 engine, the long nose delivers a powerful 565 horsepower, making it perfectly easy to transport heavy payloads. 8. Scania R580. The Scania R580 Swedish truck consumes 580 horsepower from a 16.4-liter engine and accelerates along the highway from 2,950 Nm at 1,000 to 1,350 RPM. Our lucky number 8 of the cargo giants. 7. Peterbilt 389. One of the largest and most legendary trucks among American trucks, out of 14.9 liters of diesel fuel, Peterbilt develops a proud 590 horsepower and therefore deserves to occupy 7th place in our top 10. Six. Mercedes Actros 1863. Our German Star of the South, 625 horsepower with 6 cylinders and a capacity of 15.6 liters. The Swabian Mercedes-Benz Actros 1863 shines with a torque of 3,000 Nm at 1,100 RPM. This truck is one of the top in Europe. 5. MAN TGX 18.640. This inline D38 6-cylinder engine with a capacity of 15.5 liters, a torque of 3,000 Nm and 640 horsepower, this MAN TGX 18.640 has the lowest fuel consumption in its truck class, so it takes 5th place in our ratings. 4. Scania R730. Strong Scania. This super truck is one of the most powerful and expensive trucks on the market. 8 cylinders, 16.4 liters capacity, 730 horsepower, and 3,500 Nm of torque. 3. Volvo FH 16750. Beauty on the outside, monster on the inside. Volvo FH 16750 with an additional 20 horsepower, even more powerful than the Scania R730. 6 cylinders, 16.1 liters, and a torque of 3,550 Nm at 1,050 to 1,400 RPM. Volvo is one of the most powerful production trucks in the world, and it's the most technologically advanced and expensive. 2. Kenworth C510. When it comes to massive trucks, this 1,000 horsepower Kenworth is one of the most powerful. With 1,000 horsepower, we're sure the torque of this thing is astronomical. The possibility of towing 5 full-size trailers gives it the name road train because it easily tows a huge amount of cargo. This truck is designed for off-road use and is designed for 250 tons. They feature a Cummins 19-liter QSK19 engine that meets Australia's highway emission requirements. The peak torque of this beast is a staggering 1,950 pound-feet at 1,300 RPM. Other key components include an 18-speed gearbox, which greatly simplifies the towing of all 5 trailers. 1. Volvo Iron Knight. Wow, 4.5 tons of weight, but from 0 to 100 kilometers in only 4.6 seconds. Only Volvo's Iron Knight is able to manage this thanks to its 12.8-liter capacity, D13 inline 6-cylinder engine, a torque of 6,000 Nm, and a proud 2,400 horsepower. The Iron Knight takes first place in our top 10, making it the king of the road and a true truck giant. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and press the notification button to be the first to see these awesome videos.